Okay guys, so this is some special content that I'm posting on the community section of my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be posting this ahead of time, so if you guys follow me on the community posts, then you'll see these videos ahead of everyone else that subscribes to me. If you are a subscriber or someone else who has not seen this video when it came out, this is towards the end of March, and I will make this public at some point in the future. Just know that you can watch this when this comes out if you follow me on the community post. It's not going to be a regular subscriber content notification type thing. So if you follow me on community posts, you'll get notified. If you don't know how to do that, turn on notifications for community posts. You can Google, YouTube, community posts, notifications, and you should get some instructions on how to do that. Anyway, for those of you that are following me on community posts, you probably know that I posted this deal on these iFlight-RC micro battery straps that were on Amazon, and there was some confusion because they were selling both the red ones and the black ones on the same listing. So you click on the listing to get to the red ones, and then there's a section down below where you would alter the skew to the black one, and they're the same size. They're 10 millimeters by 130 millimeters, but the black ones come with a metal buckle instead of the plastic one that the red ones do. The red ones were $5.99 and the black ones were $6.39. Now if you're watching this video, you probably know that they sold out, I think, pretty much right away. I think they were only maybe like 20 or 30 available, and after I posted this to my YouTube channel, I think it sold out within maybe an hour or two. So I'll let you guys know if it comes back in stock, but if you go to the posting now, all you see is the red ones. And yeah, the red ones are pretty good. I like them. It's a pretty good size for like 3S 550 to 650 size batteries. If you go to a bigger battery like a 4S or something like that, something like, you know, with more heft, more weight, then you're gonna need something a little bit bigger. Another popular battery strap out there are these micro battery straps from Airblade. I believe they're also 10 millimeters wide, but a little bit longer. But they also come with the metal buckle, but they're a little bit more expensive as well. I think $1.50 each, and as far as I know, you can't get this on Amazon. Okay, so this is what the black ones look like, and they're a little bit shorter than the ones from Airblade. I think the material is fairly similar on both of them in terms of feel and also look. It's hard to see on camera. And in terms of the thickness of both, they do feel about the same. But you can see here, I have this end here. The buckle is also bigger on the Airblade. You stretch this all the way out. So I think the Airblade is about 150 millimeters. The iFlight one is about 130 millimeters. So the Airblade is going to be better for a little bit bigger batteries if you guys are flying 4S on the micros with the micro battery strap. And just looking at the red one, the texture is similar to the black one. Obviously you got the plastic buckle instead of the metal one. But I think overall everything else is going to be about the same between the two. And they're the same length. So yeah, so just a little quick video on these battery straps. I like these black ones a lot better, obviously, because the little metal buckle, it's only 40 cents more for a pack of 5. And I like the fact that you can get these on Amazon. I have Amazon Prime and got these the next day. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I like people that sell stuff on Amazon. You can get it really quick if you really want to get some of these things, and pretty quick. Anyway, it's going to do for this quick little video. Let me know if you in the comments below if you like kind of these like sneak preview, quick videos. They're a little bit easier for me to make, and you know, less editing and stuff like that. I can get stuff out to you quicker. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to do more kind of videos like this.